representatives of the Student Council of Al Ain Junior School British System. And recently we had an initiative where we tried to send some relief and some support to those affected by the floods in Pakistan. And even on a very short notice, everyone in the school, ranging from every class, primary school, high school, with 50 different nationalities in our school, everyone came out and contributed so much for this cause. And we've collected nearly 50 boxes of food items, clothes, and other miscellaneous items, and an additional nearly 4 tons of other food items. We extend our deepest gratitude and our deepest thanks to everyone who contributed. And we urge everyone who's watching this now to contribute to those still affected by the immense floods in Pakistan. Thank you.
And we would like to thank the people that already contributed.
Thank you.